Wrist shot. He scores! Patrick Kane.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up 1, go make it 2.
You always hope if you're paying the price of admission as a home fan that your team scores first. In this case, it has.
So far, they got their money's worth early in this game.
That was one. He'll get the number on.
Well, we expected a physical game.
He scores! And we have our first one of the game.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Kane's goal has gotten his team ahead.
Boy, you could just feel the energy in this building right now after that early goal.
That should be aggressive throughout.
He's got this one. He's got to hurry. He scores! Kane!
They'll certainly have more energy. They've got the game's first score, and now they can play from in front.
Nashville's ahead by 1 goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but getting one and breaking the tie was huge. Nothing more will come. Lifts one. Score! Off the iron and in.
They'll certainly have more energy. They've got the game's first score, and now they can play from in front.
Shreveport's gotten the crowd into it early.
And rightfully so. The energy they play with has been terrific.
The Hawk at center ice. He loads it up. He scores! Alexander Ovechkin.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up 1, go make it 2.
The Royals strike first.
Just like the coach drew it up, get off to a good start.